Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to make sure your Roku TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Navigate to the home screen and look for the channel store. Step 2. Open the Roku channel store and search for Just Dance Now. Once you find it, select the official Just Dance Now app developed by Ubisoft. Click the Add Channel button to install it to your Roku device. Step 3. After installation completes, go back to your home screen and find Just Dance Now in your app list. Launch the app and wait for it to fully load. Step 4. Create or sign into your Ubisoft account. You'll need a valid email address and password to access all features and save your progress. If you don't have an account, the app will guide you through creating one. Step 5. Once logged in, you can start dancing. Use your smartphone as a controller by downloading the Just Dance Now companion app. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku, pair it with the game, and follow the on-screen prompts to begin your first song. Have fun and keep dancing.